Hey guys, welcome back to Ratchet Clank Part 4. Alright,
You don't have to say the
or
part.
whatever.
Because eventually it'd be like,
yeah, alright, anyways.
million.
So, Jamil, you can go get your bolt over here.
Oh,
Bolt.
Jamil didn't get his.
Oh, this
Hero
is Hero
Bolt.
Bolt. Oh.
You didn't get.
Alright, let's continue on.
Bye, guys.
Grab onto the thing.
Hang on, guys.
I can show you the world.
Is it gonna be a thing now?
Yep. Every time that happens, it's...
We go all loud mode. Alright.
We'll help you, Ratchet.
Okay guys, we're back.
Something has to be done for like a couple minutes. Sorry. Anyways. Get these things!
Get the nipples.
This one's mine.
Well played,
Ooh,
Ratchet.
my god. Nice.
Ooh, did he?
Oh.
I don't know.
Ammo.
Power up.
Kill stuff.
Power of friendship!
My robotic friend. We do not just fight you.
What's it doing? Why are they like convulsing?
What the?
It's
Graboid
a
brute.
graboid brute. We got a power of friendship his ass. Power of friendship.
Oh yeah.
Mother. Ow.
Oh, it gives you more ammo, I think.
Oh my god, I was off.
Power of friendship gives you more ammo.
Probably.
Wait, guys, I need
He
ammo.
almost knocked me off the edge.
Hey, you made it! Come on, my village.
Guys, I need ammo. So we need to go back.
Cluster cannon.
No!
What happened?
No! Oh, it just shot out the creature.
Like
Where did it go?
Wait, what else? You need ammo?
Yeah, I need ammo, guys.
Okay.
Ammunition acquired. I found ammo.
Let's do
No,
this.
thank you.
Everybody loves Russian. Oh, that's cool.
I'll jump.
They have to bring that thing
Purchased a
over
new
here.
vector shell I have
Wait.
been firing.
Maybe there's something over here, guys.
Yeah, guys, before you just immediately jump in cannon.
Yeah, it looks like there's.
You will have to trust me on this,
What's
Doctor.
that?
No.
You deserve that, Maddie, for being such a bot.
Yes, but it's not.
Just in
I
case.
survived.
Like, we always gotta check just in case.
Yes.
Q-Force activate.
Bling!
Oh my god.
It's not a I can show you the world part.
Team Rocket's busting up again.
Wait, guys, there's something back here.
Okay.
Oh, never mind. Oh, creature. Oh,
Bonus bolts. Let's see.
Bolts? Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got noob again. I died so many times.
Oh,
Enemies killed?
nice.
creatures is probably Andre.
By one. Oh, points.
Yeah!
Alex
Yeah,
is the winner.
noob.
Zookeeper most critical. Bolt master. No.
Yeah, I'm not noob.
You're past
No.
this, though.
Jamil gets the noob up to the part.
Wow, Andre.
Your enemies are bad friends, though.
Never
I wouldn't.
goes. Why is it
Sometimes.
back to Susie's village?
Oh, she's a village.
Do I have to
I'm
declare any of
evil
this on my
guy.
tax
Got it.
return?
Okay.
Oh, I think I figured out how to change her costumes.
It's not much.
She's a villager. Yeah.
I think I figured out how. In the shop.
I think it's in the main menu.
Or in the shop.
Press select actually. Try to see if it's select menu of it.
So, no. Start. Oh, will it happen?
Triangle?
Actions, press triangle.
No. Okay. Alright, never mind.
We will figure this out.
Yes, we will. Haha.
Once we beat this one, I guess.
Maybe we might have to consult the wizard.
Sweet. I've got those boots.
You're a wizard.
You're a wizard, Ratchet.
Oh,
Fire.
perfect. Now we can check. Wait, double check if there's anything. No.
There's some critters over here.
Oh, there is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, guys, so this is the end of our
This
part.
is-
The part
Yeah.
of
It
Ratchet and Clank.
was a bit short, but yeah.
It's a good note to end off.
Okay.
Anyways, we'll see you guys at the next part.
Alright, bye.
Bye.